What's up, everybody? It's Steve here with Heatshield Products. I'm doing a quick install here on a Class C motorhome stealth shield kit. Super easy, pre-cut, pre-fit. All you got to do is lift your old mat up, slide this under there, put your old mat back down, and it'll reduce up to about 40% of the heat coming through the floorboard. It makes a huge difference on when you're long road trips. So here we go. So I've already kind of pre-loosened everything. The doghouse is loose. I've taken this panel, got this already loose. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift up this factory rubber mat here, and got a pin over here. I got to unhook. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now you just lay it in place like so. It's a 3-piece kit. One for the passenger side, driver's side, and the center here behind the doghouse. We also have a kit for the doghouse. You just pop the factory heat shield out, put the stealth shield behind it, and then pop the factory heat shield back in. But that's it. All you do is clamp it all down and away you go.